How to fix a document feeder jam in the HP Smart Tank Plus. Fix jams in the document feeder of your HP Smart Tank Plus printer when the printer control panel displays a document feeder jam error message. Check the document feeder for jammed paper. Remove all paper from the ADF or automatic document feeder and then lift the ADF cover. Remove any jammed paper in the printer. Push down the cover until it snaps into place. Lift the scanner lid and remove any paper. Lower the lid to its normal position and then on the printer control panel, touch OK. Load the original document back into the document feeder, adjust the guides, and then scan the document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the separator pad and pick rollers can cause jams and feed issues. Before cleaning, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or bottled water. Turn off the printer and then disconnect the power cord from the printer. You must disconnect the power cord to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Remove all paper from the document feeder tray. Lift the ADF cover and locate the separator pad and pick rollers. Dampen a lint-free cloth with water and squeeze it to remove any excess water. Clean the separator pad with the lint-free cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Clean the pick rollers and rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Let the rollers dry for 10 minutes and then lower the cover. Plug in the printer and then press the power button. Load the original document back into the document feeder, adjust the guides, and then scan the document. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.